You keep waiting for motivation to save you. You keep telling yourself you will start tomorrow, but tomorrow keeps moving, and your life is quietly slipping away. What if the thing you've been avoiding is the exact thing you need? What if discipline is not built through comfort, but through deliberate discomfort? For the next 7 days, everything changes, starting now. You know this feeling. Waking up tired, reaching for your phone, losing hours without noticing, saying you want more, but living the same day again and again. Comfort has become your routine. Easy choices, easy distractions, easy excuses. And slowly, without realizing it, comfort has been stealing your future. Not in one big moment, but in thousands of small decisions. The extra hour in bed, the skipped workout, the task you said you would do later. Later became someday. Someday became never. At some point, you have to stop blaming motivation. You have to stop waiting to feel ready. Because discipline does not come from feeling good. It comes from doing what feels hard. This is where responsibility begins. Not next week, not next month, right now. For the next 7 days, you will step into discomfort on purpose, not to punish yourself, but to rebuild yourself. Day 1 and 2 will shock your system. Cold showers, early mornings, no snooze button. You will feel resistance immediately. Your brain will beg you to stop. That voice is not weakness, it is habit fighting for survival. Day 3 and 4 will attack procrastination. The hardest task of the day becomes the first task of the day. No scrolling before work, no escaping into easy entertainment. You face what you avoid every single time. Day 5 to 7 is escalation. Hard workouts, intentional boredom, silence without stimulation. No constant music, no endless videos, just you and your thoughts. And this is where something unexpected happens. You begin to notice a shift. Your mind becomes quieter, your focus becomes sharper, your confidence grows. Not because life got easier, but because you got stronger. Your brain adapts to what you repeat. When you choose comfort, it learns to avoid struggle. When you choose discomfort, it learns to handle pressure. This is how resilience is built. This is how anxiety shrinks. This is how self-trust grows. Every time you do something hard on purpose, you send a message to yourself. I can do difficult things. And that message changes everything. By the end of 7 days, your life will not magically be perfect, but something more powerful will happen. You will no longer see yourself the same way. You will stop seeing a person who waits. You will start seeing a person who moves, a person who does what must be done, even when it feels uncomfortable. And once you see yourself that way, you cannot go back. 7 days is not the finish line, it is the proof. Proof that discipline is not a personality trait. It is a decision repeated daily. So start tomorrow morning differently. Wake up early, step into the cold water, do the hard thing first. Not because you feel ready, but because your future depends on it. Your new life is not waiting for motivation. It is waiting for action. And it begins the moment you choose discomfort. Start now.